Okie dokie. Today's little video is we're going for a bit of a jaunt. Work has been really grateful and said you can have the morning off. All right. Well, the actual day off. I've got to go to down the coast before the borders close. Nothing to do, well, whatever. Pick up the boat and bring it back because it's costing me £72 a month. And I haven't took it out for at least 12 months. And it needs anti-fouling. So might as well bring it home before the borders close. I've got to anti-foul it, clean it, check the batteries, check the engine and do a full service. Well, that's our little jaunt today. I'll keep you posted. We'll do a couple of little vids on the way, nothing much. When we get there, hook it up and then hopefully the bearings, I'll check the bearings, check everything else is okay, make sure the hitch is okay. There's a padlock on it, which I'm a little bit concerned about, because it's one of those ones where the bolt slides through. It's like you can't, it's a non-tamper one, so that's rusty. So I don't know how rusty. I've got somewhere here. I've got my trusty WD-40. I've got a portaloo because everywhere's closed. The lights, the small toolbox. We've got some grub. That's it. So I'll get it fired up because it's a bit cool in here at the moment. And not yet. Forgot to wait for the heater plugs. And we will catch you later. There we go. So see you in a bit. Okay, we're here. Got this padlock undone. I told you it was rusty. It's been there a while. So, yeah, let's get this beaut home, shall we? You can see that. A little bit rough out there. So as soon as we get done, as soon as we get home, it's hot weather. Come off that easy, look. Because it's not seaworthy, as you know what I mean, like stainless steel. Anyway, so that's the lock off. And we can pull the pin out. Oh, it's got a bit warmer now. So that's the safety off. Then you thread all the wire through with the number plates at the back. The good thing about these trailers, they've got these extended bars, so you can hook your toe in. So I'll have to I'll get a pen with me and I'll fill that in. Look at all the mess, look at all this. Can you see that? Disgusting, disgusting. Anyway, show you a bit of a view. Probably a bit windy, sorry. Hey, bearing seems to be okay. It's pulled very easy by hand. All done, not far off, just about to hook it on. Bit of lunch first. Tuna, prawns, protein, what do you call it, pasta, really nice. And then we're off. Shame. Okie, looks like she's staying behind for another couple of weeks now until the lockdown's gone. That's gone. That wheel there, it is dangerous. It was knocking like Billy out. I'm not worried about the rim, I can clean that up, but this is I only got to stop moving. comes up. Hopefully we're going to get it home today, but that's not going to happen, so it's going to be another video of changing the bearings.